Appendices and supporting documentation. Providing depth and validation. Welcome to Lecture 9.5. While the main body of your proposal is the star of the show, the appendices and supporting documentation serve as a crucial repository of in-depth information and validation. They provide the necessary granular detail that substantiates the claims made in your core proposal and strengthens the reader's confidence in your abilities. Key categories of appendices. The specific types of appendices will vary, but common categories include team resumes and biographies. The main proposal provides a brief profile of your key team members, but the appendices are where you provide the full, detailed resumes. For a government bid that requires specific certifications, this is where you would include the full resumes of your lead engineers, highlighting their relevant experience and certifications to provide concrete evidence of their qualifications. Letters of recommendation and client testimonials. These provide powerful third-party validation. For example, you might include a letter from a former client that speaks to your team's professionalism and the successful outcome of a similar project. This is a much more effective way to build credibility and trust than just saying you have a good track record. Detailed technical specifications and drawings. This is where you provide the granular details of your solution. For a bid on a new data center, the appendices would include detailed architectural drawings, network schematics, and a list of all the hardware and software components. This provides a more in-depth understanding of the proposed solution for the client's technical reviewers. Pricing breakdown and cost justification. While the main proposal provides a pricing summary, the appendices can contain a more detailed breakdown of costs. For example, you would include a spreadsheet that breaks down the pricing by labor, materials, and software licenses, and provides a clear justification for each cost element. This level of transparency builds trust with the client's finance team. Detailed project schedules and timelines. The main proposal provides a high-level timeline, but the appendices can contain a much more detailed Gantt chart or project plan. This would show all the specific tasks, subtasks, dependencies, and resource assignments for the entire project, demonstrating a meticulous and well-thought-out plan for delivery. Risk management plan, detailed. The main proposal outlines key risks, but the appendix can contain a comprehensive risk register. This register would include a detailed analysis of potential risks, their likelihood and impact, and a step-by-step mitigation plan for each. This shows foresight and preparedness. Legal documents and certifications. This is a crucial section for compliance. You would include copies of relevant legal documents, such as your company's business license, and certifications, such as ISO 9001 or a cybersecurity certification. This provides tangible proof that your organization adheres to industry standards and is legally compliant. Glossary of terms and acronyms. This is a simple but powerful appendix. For a technically complex bid, the glossary would define all the technical terms and acronyms used throughout the proposal. This ensures that the reader, regardless of their background, can easily understand the content and prevents any misunderstandings. Curating Effective Appendices, quality over quantity. The appendices are not a dumping ground for miscellaneous information. They are a carefully selected collection of materials that directly support and validate the assertions made in the main proposal. Relevance is key. Every document included in the appendices should have a clear purpose and directly relate to a specific aspect of the proposal. Avoid including extraneous or irrelevant information. Example: if you are discussing your team's expertise, include their full resumes in an appendix. If you are discussing a similar past project, include a detailed case study or a client testimonial. Organization and labeling. Ensure that all appendices are clearly labeled and organized in a logical manner. Use a consistent numbering or lettering system for easy reference. Example: Appendix A, Team Resumes. Appendix B, Detailed Project Schedule. Appendix C, Client Testimonials. Clarity and conciseness. While providing detail is the goal, avoid unnecessary repetition. If information is already clearly presented in the main body, there's no need to duplicate it in the appendices. Example: do not copy and paste the high-level project timeline from the main proposal into an appendix. Instead, use the appendix to provide a much more granular, detailed Gantt chart. Professional presentation. Ensure that all documents included in the appendices are professionally formatted and free of errors. This reflects attention to detail and reinforces your organization's commitment to quality. Example: all resumes, case studies, and charts should follow a consistent format, use the same fonts and branding, and be meticulously proofread for any errors. Case study: the impact of detailed appendices. Consider a proposal for a large-scale infrastructure project. The appendices were extensive, including detailed engineering specifications, a highly detailed Gantt chart, and a comprehensive risk management plan. During the evaluation, the committee could easily refer to these documents to verify the proposer's claims and gain a deeper understanding of their approach. The thoroughness of the appendices, coupled with their easy navigation, gave the client a high degree of confidence in the proposer's ability to deliver, ultimately helping them secure the win. This shows that the appendices, though secondary, can be a decisive factor. Key takeaways: strengthening your proposal through comprehensive support. Appendices and supporting documentation are integral to a persuasive and credible proposal. They provide the depth of information and the validation necessary to convince the reader of your organization's expertise and thoroughness. By carefully curating relevant materials, organizing them effectively, and clearly referencing them within the main proposal, you can significantly enhance the overall impact and increase your chances of success.